Dear students, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the topic graph. Graph is just a visual method for showing relationship between numbers. Graph is just a visual method for showing relationship between numbers. See the graph, students. We take the graph sheet keeping both number lines mutually perpendicular to each other 0 as a given figure. See, the number lines and the marking integers should be placed along the dark lines of the graph sheet. The intersecting point of the perpendicular lines, O represent the origin is 0, 0. O. The intersecting point of the perpendicular lines O represent the origin 0, 0. Next, the topic is Cartesian system. The vertical and horizontal is named as the Cartesian system. The horizontal and vertical is named as the Cartesian system. The horizontal line is named as the x dash. Is called the x-axis, and vertical line is named y dash is called the y-axis. The plane containing the x-axis and the y-axis is known as the coordinate plane or the Cartesian plane. Okay, so the x-axis and y-axis, the plane containing the x-axis and y-axis is known as the coordinate plane or Cartesian plane. Okay, next topic, signs in the graph. X coordinate of a point is positive. X coordinate of a point is positive along OX. Okay, and negative along OX dash. OX is a positive and OX dash is a negative. Y coordinate of the point is positive along OY and OY dash negative along OY dash. Okay, this is a Y dash, OY dash. So OY is the positive and OY dash is a negative. Okay, next topic is order pairs. A comma B. Listen, A represent the distance along x-axis. A represent the distance along x-axis and B represent the distance along y-axis. For example, A comma B, order pairs 4, minus 3. 4 is the x-axis point and minus 3 is the y-axis point. Listen, in x-axis we point the 4. So this is a 4. And y-axis we point the minus 3. So here we put the mark 4, minus 3. Okay, are you understand? Next, listen student, x coordinate as a abscissa and y coordinate as called the ordinate. X-axis is called the abscissa, y coordinate as called the ordinate. Okay, so next one, quadrant. Listen in quadrant, this is a x-axis, this is the first quadrant. Okay, the first quadrant can have x-axis plus and y-axis also a positive numbers. X-axis and y-axis also have a positive number. That is the first quadrant. Okay, the second quadrant, listen, this is the second quadrant. X-axis have a negative numbers and y-axis have the positive numbers. So minus plus is a second quadrant. Okay, x-axis have a negative numbers and y-axis have a positive numbers. So second quadrant is minus plus. Okay, this is a third quadrant. X-axis and y-axis also have a negative numbers. X-axis have a negative numbers and also y-axis also a negative numbers. So third quadrant is minus. And fourth quadrant, x-axis have a plus positive numbers and y-axis have a negative numbers. Okay, so minus plus comma minus is a fourth quadrant. Okay, are you understand?